When it comes to getting the outcomes you want from your hybrid cloud, what comes first is the application. Look at what your applications need in terms of delivery requirements, governance, and customization, and determine the characteristics of the optimum venues for them.
So SAP is our core systems that we run the business on, and so it was critical to ensure that the migration went smoothly. And I think the Dimension Data team really worked hard to ensure that we got the outcomes that we needed and the migration was successful.
The many different cloud platforms that are available offer different levels of service for your applications. NTT Cloud, as an example, offers enterprises hosted, private, and virtual private clouds that integrate with on-premise infrastructure and hyperscale public clouds. Dimension Data's managed cloud services provide the ability to integrate and automate workloads across multiple clouds, so you can deliver business outcomes at the speed you need.
We employ PCI standards for transmitting financial data. We have managed to deploy encryption technology on the cloud services that pertain to storage of private data. The solution has been very scalable in terms of expanding requirements. It's flash of a second. We haven't had any downtime.
We'll make sure you have a resilient architecture, automated multi-cloud backup, and a disaster recovery plan in place. We can show you the physical location of your data for compliance purposes, and we secure your apps across the entire estate, whether they're containerized or traditional apps. But you only get the user experience you want from your apps if they're properly connected. We provide application-aware networks that form the on-ramp to the cloud, a robust network platform reaching from the cloud and data center through a cloud-optimized hybrid WAN to a wired and wireless LAN and ultimately to the end user is critical for a great user experience.
One productivity performance kind of increase that we've seen was the Monday after the migration, and we got this call logged from one of our users saying that a report that traditionally takes kind of 30 minutes to run was clearly broken because it was only taking 7 seconds. And the issue actually was that there was no issue. In fact, it was just running in such a fast environment that it was now taking 7 seconds.
At Dimension Data, we put the application first and choose the right venue for it. We integrate your services and automate them to give you the speed you need. We secure the environment and give you visibility so you can manage compliance and risk. We connect your environment properly to give a great user experience. And we give you a range of fixed and consumption-based pricing to help you manage costs.
The beauty about the Dimension Data partnership is that's not a money-driven thing from those guys. It's effectively, how can we make Frucor really thrive in their digital transformation program? How can we help them along that journey? You know, they don't see it as being a successful project unless the business outcome is achieved.